I don't know much about mushrooms.
If you pick up mushrooms and then bring them to your home and then put them in the freezer and then make it hot, you can eat the mushroom.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
That's what you do? Yeah, you'd have to be careful what kind of mushroom you choose, though. Some mushrooms are not good for you, and some mushrooms are very tasty, so you have to know the difference.
The black and white ones are the either ones.
Oh, the black and white ones are the ones that you eat?
No, I said to eat people.
Oh my gosh. Those mushrooms eat people?
Yep.
I've said it many times, I know I would change my ways, I know for sure. When all the crows decide to meet, they settle down beneath my feet. I've got it right and I got it wrong.
We're at High Station. It's a hostel. It's currently closed. I don't know what the permanent status of this place is. It looks pretty cool though. So if it is still open, or when it's open, it looks like it'd be a pretty cool place to stay. Hello.
Huge wasp nest in the tree right there.
Oh, okay.
Huge. I mean,
Oh, geez.
Oh, okay.
Okay, thank
so
you.
Be careful.
There's a huge wasp nest in the tree up ahead, so we're gonna have to be careful of that.
When we pick our adventures, we're not always sure what we're going to come up against. In Ontario, at least, they would keep things fairly well groomed and things
Manicured.
like that. Yeah, manicured, and like lots of signage and things like that. Whereas in Nova Scotia, I find that things are just a little bit more rugged, a little bit less signage, and you just don't always know what you're kind of getting into. So we're going to go look for a wasp nest that we can avoid it. And we're going to just go on this hike and see where it takes us. So
yeah,
wish us luck.
So we've avoided the wasp nest. Wasps are really aggressive. We're safe now. Continue on the journey.
Makes me reminisce.
About New Zealand?
Yeah, about New Zealand. Like, it's really been a very long time since we stayed in a hostel.
It has.
The only time we really did was in New Zealand.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I've been thinking about that since we talked to Puddles and Passports family.
That's true, because they do a lot more.
They do some hosteling, yeah. Ted kind of ruled out hostels as a family.
Yeah, but I guess a lot of hostels have private rooms. We actually came across some people hiking and found out that we're at the wrong trail. And again, like, I think sometimes signage isn't always super great. So I think we're pretty sure we actually know where it is and past it, because we saw people parking along the road and I saw a trail entrance. So I'm like, it must be that.
Yeah.
And we just kind of went past and came here because Google didn't really know where we were going. We didn't really know where we were going, but we think we got it figured out. So
yeah, so we got some apples. We had a nice little hike. We're gonna try to find some waterfalls.
Yeah. So we'll just like sign off here and see you again, hopefully at the right trail.
As you can see, there's the Wentworth Valley sign. Here's the trailhead.
We are officially at the Wentworth Falls trail going to the Wentworth Falls. So we found it out, figured it out. There's no parking lot. You just stop on the side of the highway. My guess is that if you're looking for it, you're probably going to see cars parked, because that's how we kind of figured it out. It's a pretty nice little trail. Let's see what the waterfall looks like.
Wylder, look. Do you hear anything up ahead?
Here, a waterfall.
Yeah, I hear a waterfall too. Sounds big.
I think I see it. You see water?
Oh, I do see it.
It's definitely bigger than I expected it to be. I mean, on my phone it still looks kind of small, but it's really not small, I promise. Here, for scale. Nice.
That waterfall is making the ocean.
So go ahead and leave it. I don't know what's on your mind, and there's no way I can fix it. But you're also leaving me behind. Just a few more hours, you'll be on your way, like dancing on a wire. Oh, how I try to make you stay. Won't you stay?
We are at Arrowhead Falls,
Nice, okay.
almost to Tatamagouche, or Tatamagouche,
We don't know how to say
or
There's a few
the place that has a
different places around we
brewery.
don't know how to say. Yeah, we were about to go home actually after Wentworth Falls and thought, you know what? You know, we drove a fair amount of time to get to that area. Why don't we just see if there's something else? And
Yeah,
this
so-
is only about 15 minutes down the road.
That's 2 waterfalls for the price of 1.